Hello, I'm Smithy and this is a Contiki. I'm going to replace these bulbs. I'm at SCREWFIX at the minute. I don't know if you can see SCREWFIX there, but I'm outside SCREWFIX. So let's put one on. I hope you can see that, can you? Yeah. So we're going to replace that. So if I can get it out. Well, it doesn't matter, I'll do one of these. So you touch it and it all falls to bits, but it's only held on like that anyway. So let's see what bulb we've got in. That's the bulb that's in it. What we need is integral LED. It's a G4 capsule, and that's what it is. Now why can't I get this out? There. So it's on 2 pins. I'm hoping I can get it out there. So that's what's in it. So somebody's made an effort and put LEDs in, but it's the 2 pins I'm after. But I want a modern, you know, because some of them bulbs have gone. So I'm going to replace all 4, and it's 2 pins. I'm stuck out like a sore thumb here. It's 22 foot long, this van. So we're after integral LED G4 capsule lamp, 1.1 watt, cool white, £2.98 at SCREWFIX. Let's go buy them, and then we'll move and we'll put them in because I don't like it here. Right, I've brought you back at night time so you get the full effect of the bulb. That's what it looks like. 4 from SCREWFIX. That's what they look like. Can you see that? I'll put the light on it and you can see. I don't know if you can. Anyway, so that's the effect. I hope you can see that. Yeah, I think you can. So I got 4 for £13. And somebody did say, oh, they're cheaper on eBay. That may be the case, my friend. But if I can spend my money locally and it's helping to keep somebody in a job locally, then that'll do, mate. So anyway, put the glass back in and the cover. And there you go. We've done this one. You can see that. We've done that one. So what we've actually done is every single bulb in the van, turn that off, it's blinding me, is now an LED. Oh, I'll put the glass in right. I'll tell you what I might do in time to come, you know, is replace the 2 back ones. These 2, I might replace these 2 and get the ones that have got USB in them. But I'm going to look into them a bit more yet. I don't know anything about them. So that was what came out of it. Obviously the old, I don't know if you can see that, but anyway. So there we go. That's all the bulbs replaced now with the price was £13.35. From SCREWFIX. How good's that? So every bulb in this van now is LED. Every single bulb. Let's turn that one on. The big main lights are these. Don't know if I can show you. It's them. They're the big main lights. So when I bought this van, they had like an LED strip, if you will, going in a circle around it. And I'll just show you. Can you see there now? So they're the big lights. So, oh, they've got these little ones as well. So everything is now LED. So to keep bouncing you about. I want you to do it at night so you've got the effect of what it looks like, you know, when you put them in. Let's turn all these off. How do we There you are. I'll turn this off. How good's that? It's just a job that I wanted to do. I always wanted to replace on it. It's just one of them jobs that you think, oh yeah, I'll sort that, I'll get round to it. And I just never did. Apart from today. I decided we're going to do it, we're going to replace them all. That came from SCREWFIX, believe it or not. The old battery powered light. Hoping you can see me. Yeah, so everything's LED now, so what I see at night, we just have one of them on. Sue can read a book and I can be doing whatever I want. So LED for everything. I'm going to keep these though, because not that I'll ever use them again, I don't suppose, but you never know. I don't like to chuck it. I have a drawer in shed, like I've got full of everything that I'm going to use again at some point. I've had some stuff there for 20-30 years I'm never going to get around to using. Right, so I've got that to do and that one. I've done these two now, so I'll do the other two. Right, so I just thought I wanted to just show you that I was doing a bit more van work, a bit more bulb work on the van. You saw me replace the bulbs around the outside of the van. My two brake lights are LED. Bit of tissue on my foot there. The main light outside is an LED. Headlights are obviously headlights. You can't. I don't know what to do about them. Whether you can get LED of them, I don't suppose you can. But everything inside the van now is LED. Every single light bulb. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We've got 12 internal lights, and every single bulb is in LED. So, what are these? Does it say? Right, 12 volts DC. I was trying to find out, I think they're 1 watt. Energy rating A. So the good thing is you get a 3-year warranty from SCREWFIX. So that'll do me, why not? 3 years, that's great. I won't even have the van in 3 years, I'll have traded it in by then. Anyway, right, I'm going to go. I just thought I'd just show you what I've done. We've replaced every bulb with LED in this van. Mainly to save on battery usage from the solar panel. So we're now using everything's LED, any lights that we put on anywhere, at night time or whatever, it's just not using a lot of power. Because obviously at night time you're using power and you're not getting any energy back from anything. I'll tell you what we can do while we're here, is just send, phone's beeping before I've done anything. I was going to send my tracker a text message, and there's no point having a van. Well, it won't let me copy that. I wanted to copy it, right, it won't, so I'll have to write it in. See how long it takes. I'll send a message to my tracker. I have 2 trackers in this van. There we go. That's telling me now exactly where I am. So everybody says, oh, you can block a tracker. Well, alright, you can block a tracker, fair enough. I've still got one, and I'm still going to have one. So there you go. Yeah, that's all I wanted to show you. Doing the lights. Right, so everything's LED, so I'm happy with that now. Right, just a quickie, just a quick showing you what I'm doing. I'm Smithy, this is a Contiki. I'll certainly see you again, so stay safe, be lucky, and I'll see you very shortly. And the bulb goes out. And it drops out.